what are the things that we should reflect upon and start to develop a yaqeen, a certainty around? Of the things that we can talk about and remind ourselves of is the reality of the resurrection itself. As we've been talking about, is to remind ourselves of this reality constantly, that we will be resurrected. That it's not just some imagining, it's not just a fairy tale. It's not just something we're hearing. The reality is you will die and Allah will resurrect you back in a manner that He decides upon. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He tells us, وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقًا قَالَ مَنْ يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ قُلْ يُحْيِيهَا الَّذِي أَنْشَأَهَا أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ خَلْقٍ عَلِيمٌ. Ubay ibn Khalaf, he once was in front of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he took these dry bones and he walked up to the face of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he crushed the bones in the face of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he said, Ya Muhammad, are you telling me that your Lord will resurrect these bones after I've crushed them? And upon this, Allah sent these verses in Surah Yasin, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقًا, that He presents an example while He's forgetting His own creation. He asks, who will resurrect these bones after they have been crushed and disintegrated? قُلْ, tell him, يُحْيِي, the one who gave it life in the first place will give him life again. And this is a certainty that we need to have within ourselves, that no doubt about it, that we will stand and Allah will resurrect us. And we will stand again in front of Him subhanahu wa ta'ala.